Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bask Bank. Is it a real bank? And if so, is it a good option for your banking needs? Before we get into the details, I want to start by saying that I am not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. What is Bask Bank? Bask Bank is a digital bank that was founded in 2018. It is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Bask Bank is not a traditional bank. It does not have any physical branches. Instead, it offers its services online and through a mobile app. Is Bask Bank a real bank? Yes, Bask Bank is a real bank. It is chartered by the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, which is a federal agency that regulates national banks. This means that Bask Bank is subject to the same regulations as traditional banks. What are the benefits of using Bask Bank? There are a number of benefits to using Bask Bank. Some of the most notable benefits include: no monthly fees. Bask Bank does not charge any monthly fees for its checking or savings accounts. High interest rates. Bask Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on the market for its savings accounts. No minimum balance requirements. There are no minimum balance requirements for Bask Bank accounts. Easy to use. Bask Bank is easy to use and navigate. The app is user-friendly and there are a number of helpful resources available to help you get started. What are the drawbacks of using Bask Bank? There are also some drawbacks to using Bask Bank. Some of the most notable drawbacks include: limited features. Bask Bank does not offer as many features as some traditional banks. For example, you cannot get a paper checkbook from Bask Bank. No physical branches. If you prefer to do your banking in person, you will need to use another bank. Limited customer service. Bask Bank's customer service hours are limited. Is Bask Bank a good option for you? Whether or not Bask Bank is a good option for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a bank that offers high interest rates, no monthly fees, and no minimum balance requirements, then Bask Bank may be a good option for you. However, if you need a bank with more features or better customer service, then you may want to consider another option. In conclusion, Bask Bank is a real bank that offers a number of benefits to its customers. However, there are also some drawbacks to using Bask Bank. It is important to weigh the pros and cons before deciding if Bask Bank is the right bank for you. Thank you for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video about Bask Bank. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.